go on the main street?
Yeah, don't worry. Hi guys, we are still in Chi Minh. Is it cloudy?
No, because today is the last day of the new year. So everybody go back home and
Okay.
preparing the
Food and
yeah and break and gathering family. So don't raise your head too far because you may get hit by a car.
yeah.
So how was last night? Did you went out?
No, I remain at the hostel. Yeah,
Didn't go out?
I didn't. No. I didn't sleep a lot because I slept about 2 hours and then some guys came in the room and the last one came about 5 in the morning and I think it was coffee and he made noisy all the night.
So you share the room?
Yeah, I'm in a dormitory with I don't know how many people inside. It's a 12 places room.
Okay. I thought you have a private one, so.
No. So all the night coffee. Which part of the city is that?
Huh?
Which part of the city is that?
This one?
Yeah.
Very close to center. This is the center,
Okay.
but just a side of center, not really. And we go through the out of center.
Okay.
On your left, on your right side is a cultural park. There's a lot of flower and
Okay.
young people go there for exercise and just relax.
Is it a big party? Is it a big park?
Yeah, it's a big park. The biggest in Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay. I think that a lot of people are making barbecue because I smell a lot of.
Not really, because they're burning some kind of special paper for spraying. And suddenly, oh no, all the restaurants. I didn't pay attention at the side, so I don't know.
Okay. Okay, stop the video.